Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Libras, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Libras, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Moon, Queen of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles in reverse. So Libras, with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship. So you are someone who is really a friendly person, who is honest and dedicated. You are interested to do the things you love to do. So in your work you are really concentrating, doing well, um, working, giving your best, and working hard, striving hard, maybe making a lot of efforts, guys. And all your good work efforts are going to give you success or going to reap you the rewards, guys, the positive rewards for you in your life. And Libras, I also see that you are someone who has great dreams, goals, and expectations. Maybe if your dreams are really practical, grounded, it is going to work out for you, guys. But if it is something far fetched, if it is something too much and beyond your expectations, it may not happen, guys. It may not come true. You have to go for humble choices in your life, go for smaller dreams and then achieve those, then go for little bigger dreams, then achieve those, then proceed in such a way. But if you are expecting something that is beyond your reach, you are not going to get it. So today you may feel stressed, maybe because certain things are not going up to your expectation. Maybe the people in your life, in your work situation, or your circumstance itself is something different. It is not up to your expectation. So some kind of stress or worries because of that. And for some of you, you are expecting some answer from someone. Maybe you are interested in someone, you have voiced your interest, but this person has not replied. So it is giving you lot of stress and you feel that you cannot trust anybody and you cannot trust this person, maybe because they have not given you their response. So for some of you, you are in love with someone, you are waiting to propose, but they are not showing any interest. So it is giving you a lot of stress, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Libras. If you want, thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, in your situation, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Libras. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes after a few seconds of silence. So when you choose the card, that reading may resonate, guys, may answer your questions or doubts you have in your mind. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. We have the Frog Prince, intimacy. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, there is someone interested in you, they are coming towards you, but you are not willing to let themselves come towards you. You are pushing them away from you, maybe because you are scared of intimacy with that person. Intimacy does not mean a very close relationship. It also means that having open hearted communication with that person, guys. So you are afraid of that. You are afraid of that true intimacy and the challenges it brings. Maybe you have an image of yourself and you don't want to, and you always you always portray the image you have, but you don't want this person to know the truth, what you are in truth. So you are afraid of something, so that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe there is someone interested in you, and maybe if you are willing to let down your guard, let this person understand your truth, what is there in your heart, you are simply going to see beautiful changes in your life, and there is going to be a beautiful relationship flourishing for you guys. And you need to understand that. That is the energy with this card. And when you are truly intimate with someone, it has its own rewards. And today, that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you, because you do not want them to know what is there in your heart and what you are. That is the reason you are keeping them at a distance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading with the first card, the Frog Prince. So let's see what is the second card, guys. The second card, for those who chose this card, let's see. It is check your emotions. So with this card, guys, it just means that today in your situation, maybe there is a particular circumstance today and you are feeling really emotional, and sometimes when we are emotional, our feelings get the better of us and we react immediately and we go for spontaneous impulses. Whatever we want to say, we just blurt it out. But today we need to keep our emotions and feelings in check, because this is the time for appropriate responses, so not reactions. So when we feel really angry, sad, or we are desperate in some situation, we should not express all that to hurt the other person. In that heat of the moment, we should not let our words hurt that other person. So we should keep a check on that, keep a check on our emotions today. And when we do that, we will be able to find a balance, and it is a very good thing. It's a very great thing for us and for that other person in the long run, guys. So when we express our happiness or sadness through in a very careful manner, through appropriate responses instead of reactions, it is going to change the way things are between us, and it is going to be helpful in finding the balance we need in our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the second card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.